No, this is perfect. Just under rapey and just above funny. Here we go.
But if you didn't know what you were doing, you could
sorry
easily undercook it.
for
Here's
that.
the thing.
It's not fun. That's abuse. And I won't fucking stand for it. And I'll be having a chat with him later.
Point, that's the whole point.
I'm trying to be courteous. We also lost a shot glass, so problems. Bottoms up for my dad not loving me anymore.
It smells like the harbor in Seattle.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love that dirty shit. It's like when you first have sex with a dirty that's
And
what
if you
KFC
can,
is.
if you can kind of think of something that kind of reminds you of your past, you can get a little bit of tears in there, and a nice little.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Like that one time my uncle.
Ah, I'm doing it! Oh, there's a lot of equipment around here.
Almost. One more.
Also, it's not even like it's round.
Shit, we're not stopping until it happens.
We're so close.
God
No,
damn it,
it's fine.
Spencer,
It's
I'm
fine.
nailing
One more.
Spencer!
Spencer is so
It's
close.
okay, we're gonna edit it and it's gonna be first cut next time. Oh shit, I was going back. Yeah, whoops.
You can't blame the receiver and the quarterback.
Oh, come on! It's okay, we don't need this many snap peas in the dish. Hold on, and we have a couple more.
Jeez, I'm so happy that I don't have to clean this house up after this.
I don't live here.
Hold on, we're not cleaning up after?
Well, we are not. You are.
We're burning this motherfucker
God
down.
damn it, motherfucker! I cleaned up your house yesterday. Okay, ready?
Yeah, naked.
Oh! Dude, we're gonna get it. No,
This
we're
is
gonna get
making
it.
an episode,
We have to
so I
now.
actually need you to
Give
pay
up?
attention.
Hey, I even give up. I even give up.
No,
Just give up.
No,
Ivan.
it's not.
Keep at it. Keep at it.
Last throw.
Ah! Close your mouth when it hits your mouth.
Ivan, it's not gonna.
That went out the window.
First time I ever met you, boy.
He shit himself twice in one night.
It's like he's on the ground. That's crazy.
Close for a sec.
Oh, you every time. I'm too nice. Now I have this camera forever. That's fun.
Here, take this one.
No. All right, I'll take it too.
Nice. Got him. Oh, got him.
I wish I had a rewind feature all the time so I could find all the shit I miss when I'm drinking.
No, but like, okay, you
What are you squeezing in
my
there,
hands.
bro?
Put your hands and squeeze it so that.
No, that's all I wanted.
Either way, Max. Here you go.
There you go.
Okay, we're gonna do the Terminator fucking.
Appetit. Cool.